Have you ever noticed how the world feels different when you step outside? Not just quieter, but clearer. As if for a moment, everything makes sense. That's not a coincidence. That's nature speaking to you. Long before cities existed, before noise filled every second, before life became a race, there was only rhythm. A slower rhythm, a deeper rhythm, the rhythm of nature. A river doesn't ask where it's going. It simply flows. Through obstacles, around resistance, over time, shaping everything. And somehow, it always finds its way. What if your life worked the same way? Look at the sky. Storms come and storms go. No matter how dark it gets, the sky never holds on to them. It lets them pass. So why don't we walk into a forest? There is no competition, yet everything grows. Roots connect beneath the surface, sharing, supporting, surviving together. Nature doesn't win by force. It thrives through connection. We live differently. We rush, we chase, we compare. But nature does none of that. A seed doesn't rush to become a tree. It grows quietly, patiently, until one day it becomes something extraordinary. You don't need to rush your life. Even mountains were once just dust, formed slowly, through pressure, through time, through change. Just like you, the ocean is never still. Waves rise, waves fall, waves disappear, but the ocean remains. You are not the chaos. You are the depth beneath it. Nature doesn't resist change. It transforms. Autumn lets go. Winter rests. Spring begins again. Summer lives fully. Every phase has a purpose. So does yours. Maybe you feel stuck right now. Lost, uncertain, quiet. But just like winter, this is not the end. This is preparation. Something is growing, even if you cannot see it yet. So step outside. Feel the air. Feel the ground. Feel the silence. Because clarity doesn't come from thinking more. It comes from reconnecting. You are not separate from this world. You are part of it. The same force that moves the ocean lives within you. The same energy that grows forests exists inside you. You are not lost. You are just out of rhythm. And nature is always there, waiting to guide you back. So breathe, slow down, and remember, you were never separate. You are nature.